This is an update on Ethereum. This is a 60-minute chart, each candle representing an hour here, and we hit more than a few targets. Look at these stops just going off right now. This is 33.90.56. There was a huge amount of stop orders right there, and we're just getting flushed out. I had mentioned this third trend line here as an alternative and dual support alongside that 200-day moving average, alongside the 33.90.56 price support, which is huge support off the daily here. And look at just the velocity. We haven't had a red candle like this dating all the way back till you can sort of go way back here. There's hardly anything remotely close to it right now. There's still 45 minutes to go on this hourly candle close, so we'll see what happens in about 45 minutes, and we'll see if we can close like that. I'm not sure what the news set off, but in my previous video I had mentioned right here where this red arrow is at right here. I had mentioned as an objective entry short off the minor crack below the primary trend line, and we back tested it. I had mentioned as an objective entry short right here. Previous video, we came back, bounce off the 200-day moving average, and whipsawed back above the secondary trend line, and you could have played it again right here. You can see a back test, to the bullseye on the primary trend line again. Consolidated, came back up, cracked below the secondary trend line and 50 hourly moving average, and sort of bobbed up this 200 hourly moving average, and we have effectively cracked below this last and final third. And again, there's just a landfill of stops that had to have been right here. There's nothing else that can describe such a huge drop, and it was so far good for a 5% drop. And if we close right here on this hourly close, it'll definitely put in a huge sell signal on the hourly, and I suspect my targets will still be hit off of 5%. My T2 here at that 32.64.47 I have for another 7% drop, down to the 31.27.83 for a 10.9% drop. See if we get it. We'll see how many more stops end up getting hit. See how bad this can waterfall. We'll zoom out here, starting to zoom out here on the 4-hour chart, each candle representing 4 hours here. I had mentioned huge significance in this time frame, with a huge divergent high with negative and bearish divergences continuing to construct on all three indicators, with the crossover on the MACD as well, and most likely a breakthrough below zero line on its oscillator. And if we can close for the next 4 hours on a solid close here, that will definitely put in a sell signal, and I'll start issuing some targets here on the 4-hour, but my targets still remain the same for the daily, down to this 30.60.15 level. Let's see where we get here. Again, that 33.90.56 down to 9.9%, down to the 50-day moving average, which will probably be another 12%, down to the 26.49.16 for a 21.4% drop, down to 23.17.68, which I still favor for a 31.2% drop. So if there's anything else I see, I'll keep you updated and see what happens next.